Hey everyone, I am excited to share the new ClickGrab Analyzer. This is a Streamlit app using Python on the back end to perform all the analysis as opposed to using the PowerShell version. So in particular, you could do a single URL or you could do multiple. You can also grab the URL house data and then run those through the analyzer as well. So in this case, I just have 4 that I've been doing a lot of testing with. So I'm just going to kick that through here. This will run, it'll pull down the data, analyze it as we expect. So I chose these 4 because they are all a little bit different. Kind of starting with the top, you'll see with this nice little table, what is going on kind of across the board with these 4 different FakeCAPTCHA type sites. Kind of the start, this one was really interesting. It had a really nice, crazy, obfuscated JavaScript code in it. And so now we can click through the detailed analysis here, and you get a really cool view or visibility into, what was being captured by ClickGrab here. So we see the keywords, we see all the different CAPTCHA elements. I do extract that now. We also extract different portions of the JavaScript, which is why the score was insane, 244. It's a really long piece of JavaScript. And then down here, you can click through here and kind of see which pieces were parsed out. Now note, this particular HTML did not have PowerShell in it or whatnot. So the idea would be that it generates it almost on the fly when you hit that JavaScript. But you can kind of scroll through, you'll see it parses out the keywords that are suspect. If there's any clipboard manipulation, things like that, here's the different CAPTCHA elements all pulled out here to kind of give you ideas and visibility as to what this thing is doing. And then that JavaScript as well. So I'm going to collapse this one. I'm going to go to the next one here. And in this particular case, this is MicrosoftTeams.com. Grab your Teams download. So in this case, right, we got all these strange looking things that this Microsoft Teams download page wanted to give me, but it's not. So yeah, you can see it does IWR, gets this weird thing, stuff, etc. happening. I do pull out and look for, to make this a little bit more broader, the tool now looks for beyond command and PowerShell and MSHTA. It will look for curl, wget, things like that. All different other kind of low bin type stuff, just in case tomorrow things change. You never know. All right, so now detailed analysis is a little bit different. You have your base 64 that was embedded in that HTML, and then you have it also decoded for you. Any URLs, you can kind of see what's going on. Those PowerShell commands, once again, this is what was there. And it just kind of breaks out different portions of it, meant to just kind of provide you visibility. Again, got your keywords, any kind of clipboard manipulation. Something I've noticed is that it's pretty easy to recognize these when it comes to analyzing the HTML. It's all a single HTML page. There's really nothing fancy. So yeah, there's a lot of obvious things that we can key off of and whatnot. And yeah, so there's the second one. And then let's go ahead. Let's see what other cool ones we got here. Look at this one, Blessed Day Services. This one, again, just has some cool stuff that it'll download for you, and maybe it'll help you get your invoice tomorrow or whatever that it's looking for. Oh, hey, check this out. In this particular case, I think this is cool. You can hit show raw HTML. So if you want to see what it is that this page is, we do the tool itself, the PowerShell and the Python will download all the artifacts for you. So you can go and get everything you want and analyze it yourself, right? That's the power of this thing. So this particular case, you can get this raw HTML. You can see these are the different things and keywords and items that we're keying off of with ClickGrab. Here's your MSHTA, all your robot stuff, all this ID, Ray ID, I don't know what all this stuff is, right? So it's all here. You can view it, you can play with it. Now, because you're using Streamlit, clickgrab.streamlit.app, that is, you can download the HTML, JSON, or all of this in a CSV. I already downloaded one earlier, so yeah, just a minute or 2 ago. But you can kind of see it's a sweet, super sexy HTML file here. You get all the same kind of details. You can share this with your team. whatever you want to do with it, right? There's a lot of cool stuff. Here's that obfuscated JavaScript I was mentioning down here. It obviously has some of the key. Anyway, there's a lot of fun stuff to play with. Yeah, so you get all the items here, all the things that we key on and play with. So yes, I hope you are able to check this out. If you have any feature requests or ideas or thoughts, let me know. Drop them in the comments, leave me a message on LinkedIn or Twitter or whatever. Thank you for checking it out. See ya.